Alright, climate change is something serious.
Well, every year when I read something new, I always come across a handful of interesting stuff. But this year, I not only found something interesting but also something important which I have to share with. I read one of the most interesting books this year, Bill Gates' How to Avoid Climate Disaster. Well, every year we pump around 51 billion tons of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. If we want to avoid the worst disaster, that number has to be zero by 2050. It's just not the power plants. Emissions come from making things like steel, cement, which is more than 30%, growing food, transporting ourselves, and even heating or cooling our homes. Basically, every part of life is connected. The book talks about fixing all these five areas from clean electricity to low carbon manufacturing, sustainable farming, clean transport, and efficient buildings. The main big idea is to lower the green premiums, making clean options as cheap as the dirty ones through innovation, policies, and global teamwork. Well, it's a huge challenge, but the takeaway is it's possible. If we act now, push for smart solutions, and support net innovations, we can get to net zero by 2050, and that's the future worth fighting for.
Climate change is a massive challenge, but innovation gives a real hope. The young generation like us can play a key role by pushing for government policies, innovation, and even individual accountability. Well, optimism is good, but effective only if it's paired with an action.